Hi, Nebby. Hi, Birdie. Oh my goodness. Oh. Ah. So we got Nebby. We got cats. Goats coming over to say hi to the cats. Big ass Nebby trying to hump me. What's up, big girl? Old Apollo, Romeo. What's up, homie? That nice pissy beard and forehead. I bet you smell great. I can't smell you, but I'm sure them ladies can. What's up, kitty cat? Oh, I love this. This is awesome. Everybody just chill. Oh,